Heads up, the coldest air of the season is coming to the Northeast next weekend. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's what you need to know. For the first time in over a week, much of the Northeast has finally seen temperatures rise above freezing. To put things into historical perspective, this string of sub-freezing days is the longest streak in New York City since 2018, Baltimore and D.C. since 1989, and Philadelphia since 1979. This has meant that much of the snow from the major winter storm over a week ago is still there, has not gone away, and instead has become a giant glacier. At the same time, many bodies of water have frozen over for the first time in several years. This week will still be cold, but the hammer really drops over the weekend as a strong Arctic front descends into New England. We're talking temperatures that could be more than 30 degrees below average in some spots. On the morning of Super Bowl Sunday, February 8th, temperatures will be below zero for most north of Interstate 84 and in the single digits above Interstate 70. This includes places like Columbus, Cleveland, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City, and Boston, among others. On the morning of Monday, February 9th, temperatures will once again be below zero across upstate New York and most of New England and single digits above the Mason-Dixon line. The bitter cold will be accompanied by breezy conditions, which means that wind chills will be dropping in many locations to the negative teens, perhaps even negative 20s. We won't see any big storms during the period, but we will see multiple quick-hitting rounds of snow across the mid-Atlantic and Northeast throughout the week. This won't be a huge deal. Most places will see anywhere from a coating to maybe a few inches. However, we do see some signs of relief on the horizon. If we shift westward, we see a massive ridge forming over the central U.S. If that ridge moves eastward, we could see a big-time warm-up over the eastern U.S. as we move toward the middle of the month.